Through my cleaning consulting business, this young man's mother hired me to train him how to clean his bathroom. He did such a good job that I asked him to demonstrate for this DVD. The first step in cleaning a tiled shower is to measure the amount of concentrated cleaning solution of your choice following the instructions. I use a half a teaspoon of concentrated cleanser and fill a pitcher about 1/3 full with water. Notice how he is applying a heavy-duty scouring paste on the tiles. This is to help break down soap scum. The two particular products that are being demonstrated are safe to use together. Please read your directions on what products you choose to use and teach your kids not to mix products without first consulting an adult. Starting at the top of one wall and using a scouring sponge, work your way down each wall. Focus on corners where staining and mildew can occur. Most soap scum occurs at the bottom part of the wall, so pay particular attention and scrub harder where the soap scum has accumulated. Using a tile brush can also be helpful in loosening the soap scum accumulation on the bottom half of the walls in the bathtub. Using a toothbrush, you can scrub any spots that you see that are small. In this demonstration, he noticed spots on the shower head and took particular care to scrub them off. Also, be sure to turn the sponge to the soft side when cleaning the metal faucets to prevent scratching. For rinsing, I recommend that you rinse the pitcher out a few times and then fill it with clean water. Begin slowly pouring from the top wall down around the walls of the shower. To rinse the soap off of the shower head, you can fill the pitcher, and before you pour it down the wall, you can dunk the shower head in it. For speed drying, use 2 microfiber cloths. When you are drying, you can feel for any mist residue and use the cloths to scrub any soap scum that you may have missed. Microfiber is great at removing soap scum while you are drying the tub. The damp cloths from drying can now be used for dusting any fixtures or wall hangings in the bathroom. They also work well for damp wiping cabinetry in the bathroom.